Ciao, amici. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian liqueurs with a true classic, Amaretto. But hold on, because we'll be revealing some fascinating unknown facts about this beloved Italian spirit. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Amaretto is a delightful almond-flavored liqueur that originated in Italy. Its name, Amaretto, translates to a little bitter in Italian, reflecting the subtle bitter notes that balance the sweet almond flavor. But here's a twist: despite its name, most Amaretto liqueurs are known for their pleasant sweetness. Fact number 2. The exact origins of Amaretto are shrouded in mystery and folklore. While several legends claim to be the true origin story, one popular tale tells of a 16th century artist who created the liqueur as a gift for a noblewoman by infusing almonds in brandy. Regardless of its exact beginnings, Amaretto has since become a cherished Italian tradition. Fact number 3. Amaretto is not only enjoyed on its own but is also a versatile ingredient in cocktails and desserts. From the classic Amaretto sour to tiramisu, this almond-flavored liqueur adds a unique richness and nutty sweetness to a variety of culinary creations. It's no wonder Amaretto has become a beloved staple in bartending and confectionery. Fact number 4. While almonds are the primary flavor in Amaretto, some brands use apricot pits or a combination of ingredients to achieve the distinct taste. This variation adds depth and complexity to the liqueur, further enhancing its appeal among discerning palates. That's a wrap, amici. We hope you enjoyed discovering these fascinating unknown facts about Amaretto. Give this versatile Italian liqueur a try and let us know in the comments below your favorite way to enjoy Amaretto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow spirits enthusiasts. Until next time, salute with a glass of Amaretto.